Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Volkswagen Touareg key fob easy guide. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob and locate the seam. Pry gently with a small flathead screwdriver to separate the halves. Note the battery orientation before removing it. Replace with a fresh CR2032 battery. Press the halves back together until they click, then reinsert the mechanical key and test the remote. To open the fob, press the small release tab and slide out the mechanical key before proceeding. Position the flathead screwdriver at the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves, working slowly around the edge. Keep fingers clear of the battery compartment to prevent shorting. Once the case is open, note the orientation of the old battery so you can install the new one correctly when replacing it. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying after a repair effortless and frees up time to work on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully lift the old CR2032 battery out with the screwdriver tip while avoiding contact with metal surfaces. Place the new battery into the holder with the positive side facing up, matching the markings in the fob. Press gently to seat it and try the lock and unlock buttons while the case is slightly open to verify operation. If everything works, align the halves and press firmly until they click back into place, then reinsert the mechanical key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.